Hey guys, welcome out to the range. Today I wanted to cover briefly moving with a firearm. I have another video on running with a firearm. This is actually walking rapidly with a firearm. You'll notice that what I was doing there, some people know it as the SWAT walk. My generation knows it as the Groucho walk, as in Groucho Marx. And it's basically when you're moving with the firearm, instead of walking like this, which causes a pendulum effect, there's basically this, there's a bounce, and there's kind of a sway. If you will lower your body position and lower your knees, and the fighting stance, as you guys know, is this. From this position, I can immediately start. Moving. It doesn't have to be a dramatically lowered thing. It is just lowering your body enough to take the shock of the movement. And I always say this to people. It is dorky dumb. It looks goofy as all get out. When you're moving in the Groucho walk or in the SWAT walk, you feel silly doing it. And I get it. Guys, I've been doing this forever and I get it. I feel very silly when I do this, but I also know that it works. And if you ever have the opportunity to get your hands on true combat footage and you watch people who know how to move with a firearm. Now I'm talking about in a very confined environment. This technique is for room-to-room type of movement. This is not for the explosive type of movement where you've got to cover a lot of ground, you got to cover it very quickly. For that, you better have another person giving you cover fire. This is actually moving and being forced to shoot during the move. The Groucho walk is simple to learn, which is why this video is not going to be very long. In fact, I've already covered it. The Groucho walk is highly effective. It is what I teach, and all I ask is that when you come out to train with me, that you'll give it a try.